What's going on, YouTube? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Tonight, we're not doing a product review. I wanted to share one of my secret tips that I feel elevates my beard to the next level when I'm going out and meeting with clients on a day-to-day basis. And that tip is actually utilizing, in my opinion, one of the most underrated products out there on the beard market. And that product is Scotch Porter's Beard Serum. Now, a lot of y'all may be familiar with this. You may not know how to use it properly. This is not a beard oil. This is not to be used and massaged into your skin. This is to use after you've already styled your beard, whether that be with Scotch Porter's Beard Balm or another product out there. I like to utilize this the very last step of my beard routine. And so I'll show you what I do and why I like this. It doesn't take a ton. For me and my size beard, you can see, I've gone with a shorter, more business-like beard. I only use one pump of this. And so I'm not utilizing this to rub it and massage it into my beard. You can see how thick that is there. I use this as an outer layer on my beard to help create shine and softness. Now I only need to comb this through. I will just because I'm a creature of habit. But what I love about this stuff is that little bit of shine that it adds to my beard. This just says to that client that I'm meeting with that I take care of myself, I care about my appearance, and that little bit of shine you can see in my beard really adds definition and depthness into my beard. I don't know if you guys can pick it up there on the camera, but it looks great. It makes me feel like I'm put together when I go meet with clients. It does add additional softness to my beard, so it is going to soften your beard. It's got a ton of great stuff in it. I'll link those below. The website, you can go check it out, all the full ingredients. But again, what I love about it, it adds just a little bit of shine. It doesn't look greasy. It just looks clean. It looks like there's something going on with me that they can't identify, but it's that nice, crisp cleanness to the beard. So all those guys that are going to be growing out their beards for November, this is a great thing to go out there and add. Now, you can get this on scotchporter.com. I believe this 1 ounce bottle here goes for $20. It's got an awesome clean scent. I absolutely love the scent of this. My wife loves the scent of this as well. It's one of her favorite beard scents. But again, you can go to Scotch Porter, get this for $20. In addition to that, I actually reached out to Scotch Porter recently and was interested to see if they could offer my viewers something a little bit extra. And so they actually have given me a discount code, NOBSBEARD. Again, that's NOBSBEARD. That's actually going to get you 50% off their different collections they offer. So you could actually spend 20 bucks on this, or you can get this, their beard balm. You can also get their famous beard wash, as well as their super famous beard conditioner. So you can actually get those 4 products right now are on sale for $69.95. They normally go for $80. They're 10 bucks off right now. But if you use that No BS Beard, you're gonna get 50% off of that. So you're getting all 4 of those products for $35. That's an amazing deal if you ask me. Now, full transparency, you have to use that code, NOBSBEARD, and you're gonna have to use the link in the description. I'll pin it as a comment as well. You gotta use a combination of those 2 to be able to get the discount. Again, full transparency, I do wanna be honest with y'all. I do get a very small kickback if you purchase it through that link with that discount code. So, wanna be honest with you, but I just wanted to share this pro tip with you. Utilizing that beard serum just adds that little bit of extra professionalism to your beard. So definitely go out and check that out. Again, I'll have all the links below. The sale is good and through October 31st. So you've got about almost half a month to take advantage of it. So if you've been on the fence thinking about utilizing Scotch Porter products, I'm gonna have some additional reviews in the next few days to really jump in and dive deep into each individual product. You can also, I'll link my review I did probably about 6 months ago now of their full product line. And so you can check that out at the end of this video. But guys, definitely check out Scotch Porter. Check out this beard serum. It's definitely worth it. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the link below. God bless you. And as always, guys, have a wonderful evening. Take care of yourself. Have a great weekend. Bye.